Okay, the next one I will demonstrate the process investigators. For this scripts is displays current process information. It show current users, share PID, PPID, and generate the process report. Okay, let's start. For the first step, we will creating the script directory, output directories, and the report files part. Okay, at the same, we have the directory to see where we are right now, which is the script directories. And the next step is the output directory, which is the above of the script directory. And the next one, we're creating the output directory if it's not exist. And the next one, we have the report file. So we have the output directory and the process slash report dot text files. Okay, for the start, we have the function to show processing data. It's called investigate systems, and it will show the current users by using the environment variables, which is the $sign and users. And the next one, we have the current shells, like what shell we're using right now. And the next one is the PID, which is we use the double $sign to show the script ID. And for the parents PID, we use the $sign PPID to show the parent processing ID. And the next one, we are creating the batch count is the local variables. And for the batch count, we find the status in the batch processes by using the PS processing status. The AUX is mean all data showing all data count, and grave the batch word with if we not find the grave, and we see count is mean counting the line of the results, so it will contained in the batch count. For the next one, we have the local variables called the section. Is the array variables. The array variables, we use the double quote for each index data. So in this section, we have two data in the arrays. So it just contains the head of the topic for easily display later. And how to display the topic is we use the $sign with the bracket and the array variable with the index that you want to show. For this one is the zero, the index zeros. So it will show top 5 CPU consuming processes. And the next one, we use the sections 1. Index 1 is show the second data in the array. And for the second section, the first section is will show the CPU consuming data, and the second one we see the memory consuming data space. We use the PX, AUX, and dash source. PS AUX is mean showing processing data of them, and then resource is by the CPU. And the AWK is mean showing text processing commands. We use NR as the number of the record. All the line number is mean the first number, and lower equal to 6 is mean 5. So it will show only 5 lines, and it will print the column 1, 2, 3, 4, and 11 of the all the process status. And also in the memories commands is different. Only we use the source dash percent memory. That difference. And then lastly, we run the function and save it into the files. We run the investigate system function and then pipe it to the T command. T command is the write result into the text, into the files, to another files. And then lastly, we will show the save files part. Okay, let's try. As I told you, we have to change mode every time you wanna run the bash script. Okay, like this, and then you can run this. Okay, and this is the result. We have the user, current users, we have the current shell that we use, and the script ID is this, and the parent script ID is this, and this is will refresh every time we run the script. And another one is analyzing batch process. The batch process running is five lines, and it show the CPU top 5 CPU consuming processes, show like this, and then the top 5 memory consuming processes, and then it will save the report to this location. So as you see is the output process report. So let's see, cd output, and then I will cut the process. Yay, this is what the results look like. Okay. Okay, for these scripts, it will generate a storage and memory usage report and display this usage, the directory size, memory usage, the largest files, and total files count. Okay, first of all, we have to create the text file and the report result files. Okay, we have this part to find the script directories, and another one is to find the our output directories, and then we create the output directory if it not exists. And then we will have the report file part is storage underscore report .txt. Okay, for the generate report function, we have date, and the first command is the df dash h. Is mean the showing the total space usage. So we will echo this topic and then the result. The second one is to show the current directory usage. We use du dash sh and dot. Dot is mean the current directory. And the next one is to show the memory usage. We use free dash h. H is mean human readables. And then we will show the top largest files. So this one is kind of long command. Okay, I will explain each one. The command is right here. We have the find. Find is mean looking command, right? And dot is mean current directory. Type F is mean the file type only. The dash exec is mean the run next command. The next command is mean du dash s is mean this users disk usage in human readables, and the bracket is for all results. Plus is mean tell to find to run all command in one times. In this command in one times. 2 is mean standard errors. If get any errors, so we will redirect to this temporary, I mean the Linux backhaul part. Everything to this will be deleted. So it means if any error occur, so just delete the errors. And the source HR is mean the source it by human readable. R is mean reverse, so it's the biggest to smallest because the default is smallest to the biggest. So the head dash n5 is mean the top 5. N is mean the number by the line. Yeah. And then the next one, we will find the total files in this project by using the find count, find current directory type files with count number lines and show it off. And the last one, we run the function generate report, and T is mean save it to this report files and show the part files. And that's it. And let's try chain mod sx and the files names, and then we run the files. Okay, and this is the result. We have date and times, and we have the disk space usage by using the df-h. So it will show off these files and like the size and use availables. Okay, and the next one, we have the total currently directory use is like 32K. And memory use, we have like the memories and swaps, total use, and so on. And the next one is the 5 largest file used in this project. And the last one is count of 5 in this project. Yes, and then it save this report to this output. So let me see. cd dot output, and then we'll cat the storage. Okay, and you see it's same result. That is was saved